It's been a long time, but now is the right time for me to do this. Another reaction video for The Clash. This time it's for the singer Liafer Diloso singing She's Gone sa show na to. And I received a lot of feedback and like mga comments na kailangan i-react ko daw to. So tingnan natin no meron dito. I know She's Gone is a really challenging song. For male singers especially, pero this time it's gonna be a female singer and tingnan natin ano yung bali niya dito or ano yung ginawa niya dito para maging impressive lalo ang kanyang performance sa song na to. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ang ganda ng stage ng The Clash. Parang The Voice din.
She's gone.
Yeah, she's young.
Out of my life. I was wrong
Bata pa siya siguro.
to play.
15 years old or
Was so
16.
untrue. I can't live without her love.
Very focused, very hungry sa passion niya.
Into my arms, I'm so alone. I'm begging you, I'm down on my knees.
Very engaging and convincing yung movements niya dito.
Forgive my
Wow. G5 yun, grabe.
Would you save me?
It's like she's haunting somebody. Vocals, definitely there. Oh my gosh, yung hood. G5. Wow. G5 note. That was impressive for somebody as young as her. Siguro 15 or 16 years old. Grabe yung vocal range. G5 is not easy. Regine Velasquez level, belted. At nag-kneel down pa siya. Ang hirap nun. The only comment na pwede niyang improve, I think, for now, she should lessen up the facial expression na parang, alam mo yun, it's not matching the song. She's very passionate and I can feel na ano siya, talagang focused siya, pero she needs to tone down a bit. And even the actions, no? I mean, it's nice to work the stage, pero not to the point na parang hindi na siya tumutugma sa song. Pero vocally, nandun talaga, ang laki ng potential. She could improve still kasi ang bata pa niya. Pero for her age, ganitong talent, sobrang laking potential. Sobrang malaki ang chance na she will be having a very bright future. So congrats sa'yo, Liafer. And I hope you will go to the next round and perform even more kasi the voice is very talaga. The range is also very good. G5 note, powerful. And focus na focus sa stage. Magaling yun. Maganda yun. Great job.